Let me show you one of the most unique overlanding builds that we've done so far. Introducing you Dodge Ram Limited BMS Edition. First things first, we gotta start with the BMS bed rack, which is fully bolt-on, that sits on the factory mounting points to the bed of the car. We also installed ARB top tent on it. Additionally, we got shower. On that side, we installed 270 degrees side awning. And obviously, one of our best sellers, full BMS front and back bumpers. And one of its kind unique car table from BMS. Available today at bmsparts.com. Cheers!